Students, we learned that each table should have one primary key. We discussed this already. We have two tables, managers table, and the managers table has one primary key, and the task table also have one primary key. But when we connect two tables by the help of reference, the reference table means the table that pick the value of another table pick the primary key from that table. So here is one problem. The problem is that the primary key which it takes from the manager's table is not descriptive. You can see it is not descriptive, so we don't have any idea that how we can who is the manager. It picks just the key, the primary key, so we can make it more descriptive. And how we can make it more descriptive? We can make it descriptive by the help of a formula. And how we can add that formula, let me tell you here. In the data tab, there in the data table, in the manager table, you can see, go to the manager ID column, and there we can add a formula which will turn this column into a descriptive column. Means we can add a name to it. How we can do it? We will be using a formula. We already discussed how to add a formula. So let's go, and in the auto compute pane here, in the auto compute section of the columns editor, we add a formula. The formula is concatenate. We are concatenating two columns. Let's say the first column is let's say the name column. The name column we will be with the square brackets. With the square brackets we will mention the column. So we want that this column pick the name and the last 4 digits of the phone number. For that we will use another formula inside the concatenate, that is right of what, right of phone, and the phone's last 4 digits. So we are fine, we are okay. Now if we add this, then we can if we save it, now the formula, the primary key will be more descriptive. Let's see. Let me add and let me save the updates. If I update that, now the AppSheet will calculate the manager ID, so I don't need to add it manually, so I need to start from the Shahid. Let's say the manager is Shahid, and let me add let's say a picture to it and some role. Let's say CEO, and let me say some dummy example.com email. Let me give it the 03324706517. As I fill this table, you can see now it give the manager ID automatically the name Shahid. They concatenate the last four figure of phone and for last four character of phone number and the name. This is how we use we can give it a descriptive manager ID.